Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
The question came up, where can I access this market? Any conventional brokerage account. Now, in saying that, that doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be able to create these combination strategies easily. That's something that you need to take up with your whatever specific broker that you're dealing with currently. But the ISE has made this market extremely accessible to everybody in the sense that regardless of who you're trading with, think of these pair values as trading like a stock, in the sense that you're going to type in the symbol with whomever you're trading with, and if that symbol comes up, then guess what? You're in a position where you can trade options on that. Of course, provided your account is options enabled. I should add that to the equation as well. But any conventional brokerage account, we always like to suggest that people look at Options Express to start if they've never actually had any experience. The reason being is because you can actually go in and set up a great little demo account and not deposit any capital. They've got a great charting software that you have access to, where you can look at some of these technical signals that we've been discussing and start clicking the buttons and placing the trend lines as I've done up here tonight. And they have a fantastic simulated trading software with real-time data that you can go in and manage these positions with. And one of the things that we always advocate is that if you have never traded a certain market before, make sure that you throw a few positions in a simulator, just so that you get a feel for the dynamics of it. And the idea is that if you can't manage, or if you're having trouble managing these positions within the simulator, I don't know about you, but I'm not going to be putting my money in the live environment. Now, success in the simulator, of course, is not indicative of success in the live market conditions, because, of course, you have other psychological, aspects to trading that are influencing your decisions. But at least it's going to help you just generate a little better understanding as far as the dynamics of the market. And finally, extremely user-friendly in the sense that, even if you're somebody that, like me, obviously, that has trouble with certain software applications, generally I'm not that bad. Tonight I had an issue. It's extremely user-friendly. So you can very easily go in, click the buttons, get yourself set up, and they'll basically walk you right through it. So, guys, before I pass it back over to Steve, thanks very much. I apologize for the little hiccup there at the beginning. Make sure you visit optionsource.net and just have a look at some of the great features and screening tools that we have available. Sign up for our FX options market outlook, which you can do so with us or at the ISE. Sign up for our free FX options trade alerts, which is a fantastic way to get a little more intimate with this market, and also for our free educational seminars and webinars that we hold on a weekly basis. So that's it on my end, Steve. I guess I'll just pass the baton back to you if that's what needs to be done, and we'll go from there. So just let me see if I can do this first. If
you can push it back, yeah. Try to do that. Jason, I just want to say thank you. You do a wonderful job of balancing options education with technical analysis. Very few people can do it. I know it seems like many people say they can, but then they really lean too much. Well, I shouldn't say too much, but they lean one way or another. And you seem very balanced in. You understand options very, very well, but you do a very, very good job of explaining technical analysis, probabilities in a very simple way, and I think it helped all the attendees. I just want to remind everyone, October 26th, we'll be bringing on Tim Bigham, and he'll be talking about trading currency spreads for any market conditions. So it could be sort of another chapter of what Jason was talking about today, and he'll be probably not leaning as much on the technicals as Jason did tonight. But, again, please join us. That'll be this Sunday at 7:30 Eastern. And then on October 30th, we have Craig Russell joining us talking about trading rules. And trading rules are really important. Jason uses them. I know he does, and that's very important when you're trading. So I just want to say thank you so much to Jason Ayres, and I want to thank all of you, the attendees, for joining us tonight. On the behalf of the International Securities Exchange and, of course, myself, Steve Meisinger, I want to say thanks again. Try to trade safely. We're in a crazy market. It's very, very bizarre. But if you can trade safely now, maybe there'll be better markets. I'm sure there'll be better markets in the future. But as you've seen, there are always opportunities, and Jason showed you a whole bunch of bullish trades with the U.S. dollar. Will those always continue? No. Things are going to change. But trade wherever you see the opportunities. Thanks again, Jason. Yep. Really appreciate it.
Good stuff. One more comment, Steve. Just always keep an open mind, folks. Don't let what you see on TV cloud the idea that anything can happen right now. And if you're interested in an actual overall market outlook, plus your ISE-FX options weekly outlook that we do, hit optionsource.net. We've got that all available for you. So thanks very much, Steve. I'm going to just get out of here because I can't seem to pass the baton to you either. So
okay,
I think if
let
I
me
just
say one more thing, Jason,
yep.
because I think you're going to have it, so you're going to close it down.
Yep.
So just to remind everybody, optionsource.net, the FX Weekly Outlook, whether you go to optionsource.net or the ISE, trading alerts, educational webinars and seminars, you can get all that stuff at optionsource.net. And, of course, at the ISE, we have tons of material also. The more education, the better off you are. So, again, thanks a lot, Jason. Really appreciate it.
Cheers.
Thank you. I want to thank all the attendees. Thanks again.
Good stuff. Bye for now, everybody.
Bye, everyone. Have a safe trading day tomorrow.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.